Green. The color of grass and leaves. My sandwich turned green, either it's eco-friendly or it's gone bad. Hat. Something you wear on your head. I wore a hat made of cheese. The mice loved it. I did not. Clover. A small green plant with round leaves, often found in grass, and sometimes has 4 leaves, which people think are lucky. Ella searched the whole park for a 4-leaf clover, but her dog just wanted to roll in the grass. Gold. A shiny, yellow metal that's very valuable. I was offered gold or a goldfish. Easy choice, the fish wiggles more. Rainbow. A colorful arc that appears in the sky when sunlight shines through raindrops. Grandpa said there's treasure under a rainbow, turns out it was just my lunchbox. Dance. Moving your body to music in a fun or special way. My chicken dance made the dog hide under the bed. Flag. A piece of cloth with special colors and designs that represents a country, group, or idea. I waved a white flag when Mom asked who ate the last cookie. It was me. Irish. People from Ireland. The Irish love potatoes. So do I, we might be cousins. Smile. The happy look on your face when you're feeling good or trying to make others feel happy. Tim's smile was so big after eating ice cream that even his dog wagged its tail. Fun. Something that makes you happy and excited. I had fun turning my homework into a paper airplane. Coin. A small, flat, round piece of metal used as money. I threw a coin in a fountain and wished for pizza, but I got a fine for littering instead. Music. Sounds made with voices or instruments that people enjoy listening to. My dad says my music sounds like dinosaurs fighting robots. Luck. Something good or bad happening by chance, not because of effort or planning. Emily said it was bad luck when a seagull dropped a surprise on her head at the beach. Party. A fun event where people get together to celebrate, eat, and play. My grandma danced so hard at the party, her slippers flew off. Beer. A fizzy drink for adults, made from grains. My uncle opened a beer and got attacked by foam. March. The 3rd month of the year. Grandpa said March was the month when his garden gnomes came to life.